Cyberlander Reveal. The Cyberlander Reveal is a futuristic camper designed to turn your Tesla Cybertruck into a mobile home. It unfolds to create a comfortable living space, complete with a kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, and office. All of this fits perfectly into the truck bed without any issues. Whether you're out in the wilderness or in the heart of the city, the Cyberlander brings the comforts of home with you. It's the ultimate adventure vehicle for Cybertruck owners, offering convenience and versatility in one package. The price for the Cyberlander Reveal is $49,999. However, if you pre-order now, you can get a discount on that price. Using the Cyberlander can also save you money on expenses like fuel, maintenance, and hotel stays. For those passionate about travel and discovering new places, the Cyberlander Reveal is an ideal choice. Hummer Venture S. The Hummer Venture S is a motorhome that redefines luxury and adventure. Priced from €97,540, this vehicle is built for those who crave comfort while exploring new places. One of its standout features is the pop-top roof. It provides a loft bedroom, offering extra space for sleeping. The living area is spacious and includes a large panoramic window, perfect for enjoying scenic views. There's also a modern kitchen with a multifunctional wall, making meal prep convenient on the go. The Venture S is powered by a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 4x4, featuring a 190 horsepower engine. It comes with standard all-wheel drive, off-road suspension, and an LED light bar. For added convenience, the motorhome includes the Smart Connect system. With the Hummer Connect app, you can control all compatible devices in the vehicle. It's designed for off-grid living too, with solar panels that can keep you self-sufficient for up to 10 days. Inside, you'll find a stylish interior made with high-quality materials and ambient lighting, adding to the overall luxurious feel. For the discerning traveler who wants both comfort and adventure, the Hummer Venture S is the perfect choice. JB Homes Golden Sky. Are you searching for a mobile home that blends modern design with spacious living and breathtaking views? Look no further than the JB Homes Golden Sky. This luxurious mobile home offers 57.2 square meters of living space. Inside, you'll find 2 cozy bedrooms, a large living room, an open-plan kitchen, and a spacious bathroom. What truly sets the Golden Sky apart are its 2 terraces. One terrace extends from the living room, perfect for outdoor gatherings. The rooftop terrace is a serene escape. Imagine relaxing there, taking in panoramic views, and enjoying the gentle breeze. Inside, you can curl up on the couch, watch the stars through large windows, and feel the warmth from the underfloor heating. It's a perfect blend of comfort and luxury. The Golden Sky mobile home is built with high-quality materials, including wood, aluminum, steel, and glass. It features modern amenities like LED lighting, an HPL tabletop, a FIBO wall system, and P-foam insulation. This stunning home can be yours for an affordable price. KR Scania Motorhome. The KR Scania Motorhome is a powerful mobile home built on the durable Scania truck platform. It's designed for people who love both comfort and adventure. Inside, you'll find a spacious, stylish interior. It has everything you need, including a fully equipped kitchen, a luxurious bathroom, and a comfortable bedroom. The living area features high-quality materials and modern amenities, making you feel at home no matter where you are. Under the hood, the KR Scania Motorhome has a reliable Scania engine. Whether you're driving on highways or exploring off-the-beaten-path destinations, this motorhome ensures smooth and dependable performance. Advanced technology is integrated throughout the vehicle. You can easily control the lighting, climate, and other features with just a touch, providing a seamless experience. The KR Scania Motorhome offers the perfect mix of rugged strength and luxury, making it the ideal choice for those who want to travel the world in comfort and style. Living Vehicle. Living Vehicle is a luxury travel trailer manufacturer. Their trailers are built for self-sufficiency and off-grid living. Each trailer is designed to provide comfort and independence without relying on campground hookups. What sets Living Vehicle apart is the high-quality materials and craftsmanship. They use marine-grade materials, making their trailers incredibly durable. These trailers can handle rough terrains, perfect for those who enjoy challenging adventures. Living Vehicle trailers come equipped with systems that support off-grid living. They have solar panels, lithium-ion batteries, and advanced water filtration systems. These features allow the trailer to function completely on its own. In addition to off-grid capabilities, Living Vehicle trailers offer luxury. They are ideal for long trips or even full-time living. You'll find high-end finishes and modern designs inside. The trailers are available in different sizes and configurations. Whether you're looking for a cozy retreat for two or a spacious home for a family, there's a model to meet your needs. No matter your budget or lifestyle, Living Vehicle has a trailer that's right for you. Marathon Coach 1363. Introducing the Marathon Coach 1363, a 2024 H345 double-slide luxury RV. It's packed with features carefully selected by its owners, creating a sleek, custom design. The interior is styled with dark neutral shades and subtle hints of blue. This design pops beautifully against the Pacific Northwest overcast backdrop. Soft accent lighting, combined with illuminated panels, ensures every corner of the coach is well lit, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Inside, a fireplace adds both warmth and energy, making it the perfect spot for relaxing on cooler days. Imagine snuggling up under a blanket with a hot drink while enjoying the view. The kitchen, or galley, is equipped with high-end features. An expansive pantry, hidden behind an illuminated art door, and a large fridge provide ample space for storing your cooking essentials. There's also a dishwasher, a stove, and a wine cooler, all cleverly camouflaged, rounding out this truly custom cooking space. In the bathroom, rough-cut tile adds texture to the backsplashes, while the shower features smooth walls and is enclosed by a special sliding door. An illuminated panel within the shower enhances the spa-like experience. The bedroom is designed for comfort and convenience. Two spacious closets, including one with a full-length mirror, offer plenty of room to store clothes for extended trips. Mel Grand Empire Premium 2023. Introducing the 2023 luxury liner from German manufacturer, Mel. They've revealed exciting updates for their 2023 lineup, including new layouts in the Loftliner series. A key highlight is the addition of rear lounge layouts to their overcab models. But the star of the show is the new flagship model, the Grand Empire. This is the big news, literally. The Grand Empire will be 12 meters long and weigh a massive 26 tons, allowing for a possible payload of over 11 tons. It's powered by a 12.8-liter, 530 brake horsepower Mercedes engine on the Across chassis. One standout feature of the Grand Empire 120 GSO is its rear garage, designed to fit a Mini Cooper. To enhance driving, its third axle is a steering axle, which improves handling on motorways, offers a smaller turning circle, and reduces overhang during tight maneuvers. Although there are no pictures yet, keep an eye out for the upcoming November issue of a magazine for a full visual and more details on the 2023 launches. Numar King Air. Experience the open road like never before with the Numar King Air, a Class A motorhome that sets a new standard for luxury travel. This motorhome combines breathtaking exterior design with a meticulously crafted interior, where every detail radiates elegance. As you step inside, you're welcomed by a spacious living area filled with high-end furnishings and deluxe amenities. The gourmet kitchen is a dream come true for any cooking enthusiast, featuring top-of-the-line appliances that make meal preparation on the go effortless. In the master suite, you'll find a king-size bed that invites relaxation, paired with a luxurious private bathroom. Every corner of the Numar King Air is designed for comfort and convenience, with state-of-the-art entertainment systems and smart technology ensuring you stay connected and entertained during your journey. Travel in unparalleled style and comfort, and let the Numar King Air elevate your RV experience to the pinnacle of luxury. Roto prototype. Imagine a caravan that unfolds to reveal a spacious deck and a cozy interior. That's the Romo, a true innovation in mobile home design. With the press of a button, the cabin rotates out from its shell, expanding the living space by 70%. This feature transforms the Romo into a luxurious and functional space. Priced at $350,000, this isn't just a mode of transportation. It's a statement of style. The Romo combines modern elegance with a touch of classic design. Inside, you'll find a kitchen that would make any chef proud, and a dining area with stunning views. The bedrooms are designed for comfort, providing the perfect place to unwind after a day full of adventure. This mobile home is more than just a trailer, it's a sanctuary of peace and relaxation. The Romo offers a way to experience adventure without ever leaving the comfort of your home. Thor Vision Vehicle. The Thor Vision Vehicle is a B-plus class electric RV, designed for modern adventurers. It's built on a Ford Transit cab with a Roush electric chassis, making it both powerful and eco-friendly. Its high-capacity battery pack, paired with a fuel cell range extender that can use multiple fuels, gives this vehicle an impressive 300-mile range. On top of that, it comes with enhanced solar capabilities and a smartphone-based power management system. This system lets you monitor and control energy use effortlessly. The design is sleek, featuring aerodynamic lines and video-enabled side mirrors for improved efficiency and visibility. Lightweight construction makes it easy to handle. Inside, the Thor Vision Vehicle feels like a digital home on wheels. The cockpit is fully computerized, blending driving functions with entertainment options. Its smart home system allows you to customize everything, from lighting and temperature to your entertainment preferences. A built-in digital assistant helps you plan your trips, find charging stations, and stay connected to online services. For outdoor enjoyment, it includes a retractable awning and a large panoramic window, offering stunning views wherever you park. The Thor Vision Vehicle is set to cost around $250,000. Volkswagen Mobile Performance S. The Volkswagen Mobile Performance S is a $2.4 million motorhome with space to store a Bugatti. Germany's Volkswagen Mobile is known for building some of the most luxurious motorhomes in the world. If you can afford the multi-million euro price tag, there's a good chance you also own a supercar. Volkswagen makes sure you can bring it along. In a recent promotional video, Volkswagen highlighted how the Performance S model can store a Bugatti Chiron underneath the motorhome. Volkswagen states that the Performance S retails for €2,035,000, which equals about $2.4 million. The exterior comes in a sleek eggplant purple. When parked, the motorhome's slide-out wall adds even more living space. The roof is equipped with solar panels, and the motorhome boasts a total battery capacity of 1,800 amp-hours, making it an eco-friendly option for those long journeys. Quest Eco by Boat A Home, the ultimate hybrid. Boat A Home has created the Quest Eco, a unique blend of a houseboat and a camping trailer. This compact hybrid is the size of a trailer, making it easy to tow, yet it retains all the comforts of a houseboat. It's designed for adventure, whether you're on the water or on the road. At 7.6 meters long, the Quest Eco offers a cozy kitchen complete with a window, sink, oven, and more. The rear deck is perfect for enjoying the outdoors, and there's an external awning for shade while you sip your favorite drink. With two 40-horsepower motors mounted like those on a regular motorboat, it ensures a smooth ride on the water. This innovative boat-trailer hybrid offers a unique experience of comfort and convenience, starting at $182,000. Whether you're cruising on the lake or parked at a campsite, the Quest Eco provides a flexible, stylish way to enjoy nature in comfort. Bullis Voltera, the all-electric luxury RV. The Bullis Voltera is a game-changing electric RV that blends luxury with eco-friendly travel. As the first fully electric RV, it features a sleek, aerodynamic design that not only looks stylish but also improves efficiency on the road. Inside, you'll find a high-end living space with a gourmet kitchen, a spa-like bathroom, and a relaxing bedroom, all crafted from premium materials. Powered by an advanced lithium iron phosphate battery, the Voltera offers great range and off-grid capabilities, letting you explore remote destinations for longer. With smart technology integrated into the RV, controlling everything is easy and modern, ensuring a smooth, hassle-free experience. The Bullis Voltera isn't just an RV, it's a statement in innovation, offering eco-friendly luxury for travelers who want adventure without sacrificing comfort.